see how this is gonna all pan out.
G'day Ian, how you going?
Not too bad, little buddy.
What are you doing today?
Just setting up for a advanced beginners tutorial.
Oh, advanced beginners, hey? Alright.
I just want to see how we're going for the opening shot before we start, and I've got to thank someone.
Who do you got to thank?
Francesco Ungaro.
Oh yeah, Francesco Ungaro, eh?
That's okay there. The numbers are... No, I'll get it over there a little bit, just so as we can get the letters going, I mean the colours going up the screen.
You like putting the colours up the screen, don't you?
Yep, I sure do. Alright, that'll do. I'll walk in now.
Thank fuck for that, you're finally getting started. Good on you, Ian.
Alright, be quiet, little buddy, no swearing.
Alright, just get on with the bloody thing.
G'day, how you going? Ianapolis here, your acrylic guru from Australia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to do an advanced beginners painting, and I want to show you, if you're just progressing into the advanced...
Fucking hell, Ian, talk properly.
I've got to do it again because I need the zoom in shot, you idiot. Right, go. G'day, how you going? Ianapolis here, acrylic guru from Australia. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'll also get the colours that I'm using going up the screen. And I do want to thank...
Who are you going to thank, Ian? You remember his name, you dickhead?
Yeah, hang on a minute. Francesco Ungaro. And I do want to thank Francesco Ungaro for his picture. Francesco Ungaro. I want to give shout out credits to him. No. Francesco Ungaro, thank you very much for your... What is it? He's gave me the picture. Francesco Ungaro. I want to give a special shout out to Francesco Ungaro. Thank you very much there. So get on over here and I'll show you what I've got on the canvas.
Oh, you got fuck all on the canvas, Ian. You got nothing on there.
I know I'm going to start putting it on there. All right, let's get going. I'll turn this off. So firstly, I just want to get this craft paint mixed with the retarder so as I can get some beautiful action in my sky.
Get some fucking more. That's it. You need more retarder in there, Ian. That's not enough. Okay, mix the fuck out of it.
Shh, I'm going to mix it easily like that. There we go. I want to get the sky colour on there now. Now we can put our real colours in there with the clouds. Stop, look what's on the brush, quite a lot of business.
There is a lot of business on that brush, Ian, a lot of business.
That's right, little buddy, and you need to be aware of that as you're blending so you can control your blending. I want it less white.
Oh, right, you the man, Ian, you the man.
Well, some people like to think so, but I just enjoy art.
Yeah, Ian, that's when you do snot. A lot of people don't like painting snot. Can't turn your monitor on, you dickhead. Where are you?
There we go, it's back on. I don't mind using pencil.
Do that again, Ian, that sounded stupid.
I don't mind using pencil. So I'm just going to turn the camera off now and paint the rest of this in.
So you don't have to do that, Ian, you can just time-lapse this bit. Just let them fucking see it sped up a bit.
Yeah, I suppose you're right. I'm just trying to think as I go. When I'm thinking and filming and painting, it gets a bit difficult there. You right?
Yep, okay.
Now, I've got the rock colour there. I've got some grey, the mid-tone grey. I want to mix this. I don't want to go into the sky and make snot of it. Be careful of that.
Yeah, you don't want snot in your paintings, do you, Ian?
No, we've touched on that, little buddy. You're just using any excuse to say a rude word. But you're lucky snot isn't a rude word.
Oh, golly.
Where's that blue roughly? It's roughly there. Fruition.
Is that the right word you use, Ian? Fruition? Sounds good, that word, fruition.
Yeah, sometimes I like to use big words, but sometimes I don't know what they mean, but they just sound big. So what I'm going to do is just simply drop this brush like a gentleman.
A pure gentleman, Ian. You're a pure gentleman.
Okay, like a pure gentleman.
Excuse me.
Pitch it in where the light's hitting it.
Talk louder, Ian. You're talking like you got a frog in your mouth.
Yeah, I know. Into not being a dot.
Yeah, Ian, you don't want a dot to be a dot. If you don't want it to be a dot, you got to distort that dot, don't you?
That's right, little buddy. Let me have a look in there. Is that sort of... It's given it that vibe of realism.
Yeah, you need that vibe, don't you, Ian? That vibe of realism.
Well, if you can capture it, little buddy, it's always good. So I want to show you with this rock now. It's got, looking at the reference to get the shape looking as real as you can.
What the fuck was that?
Action, stop, cut, whatever. Hang on me fucking thing. Get under there, you bastard. Get it under there, little buddy.
Fucking him, Ian.
Oh, fuck, you got it?
Yeah, it's under there, you bastard.
Don't knock it. Here, everything's moving. Start again. We're using the reference to find out. There's a nice darker bit, so it's probably coming from here. All the way down. So I've got to find the edge of that rock and bring it from there. Let's grab Malcolm so I don't ruin my work.
What's Malcolm, Ian? I thought I was your friend.
No, Malcolm's me mouse stick, what I've got my hand leaning on here.
Oh, okay, mouse stick.
Yeah, I call it Malcolm. I give things names like I've named you, little buddy.
I thought my mum named me little buddy, Ian.
No, you don't have a mum, mate, I'm sorry to tell you, but yeah, I called you little buddy. Because you're my little buddy. Be sure to check out the Join tab, become a member of my community or my YouTube page.
You get badges and emojis and little perks.
Check out what you get. So where do it go? Look at it up there, look at that. Look at that little buddy, it looks stupid, doesn't it?
Looks like fucking shit, Ian.
Shh, don't swear. So I want to use that scratchy... Where is it, little buddy?
There it is. It's over here on the palette, Ian.
Now my brush is very full of paint.
What's wrong, Ian?
My leg's cramping up.
You fucking dickhead. You should have a stool, you old bastard. You're never going to listen to yourself, are you?
Shh, I'll get by, mate. Leave it. Okay, so I want scratchy bits. See how that's thick? And this is simply making your water look more fathomable.
What did you use the word fathomable for, Ian?
Well, it sounds waterish, doesn't it? Fathoms of the ocean, fathoms, I don't know, just use it. Leave me alone, little buddy.
I'm liking this, Ian. You're doing well. You're not the best, but you're doing well.
Well, thank you, little buddy. So this is just the wind hitting the water, this stuff here, these scallopy things. Come on, get over there, yeah? But if you're going from beginner and transforming into an advanced beginner, that's something you can do, and I know you can do it.
What the fuck are you doing, Ian? Just do your outro.
My wire got all tangled up. My knee's killing me. Big painting, isn't it, little buddy?
Yeah, it's bigger than usual.
Oh, I better put that in the water. All right. That's something I know you can do. Well, I hope you learnt something in that, I hope you learnt something in that. I had a lot of fun painting this. It took me a lot longer than normal, but it's not about the speed, it's about the end product. Be sure to tell your friends if you like what I'm doing, but if you don't like what I'm doing, you tell everybody. Goodbye, good luck, and good on you. That's it. And if you're watching the behind the scene bloopers, give me a comment below, tell me what you think of them. They do have mild to coarse language, because little buddy over there,
What? What's wrong?
well, he can have a bit of a foul mouth.
Like fuck I have, Ian. Just wash your brushes and get on with your outro, you bastard.
Calm down. All right, so yeah, tell me what you think. And it is Uru from the Guru. Yeah, goodbye. All right.
Yeah, see yous all later.
That was little buddy. Bye.